welcome to Goodies with G. Today, instead of sweet, we are going to make something savory. I'm going to start with guacamole. So first, we're going to start with cutting up 4 avocados, and this is how you cut up an avocado. You take the avocado and you go right down here, and then you go the whole way around, and then you twist it, and you have that. Then you're going to take the knife and get the pit out. It takes a couple times sometimes. And then you twist it out. And then all you're going to do is I like to take my finger and put it underneath the skin and then pop it right into the bowl. Next, we're going to cut up our limes. We're just going to slice them down the middle and juice them onto here. You'll need 4 limes. Now we're going to add chopped cilantro. We're going to mash it up with this. You can also use a fork. Now we're going to add some salt, just a couple shakes, and some cumin, and then mix it all up, and then taste it. And you can add more or less, depending on how you like your guacamole. Now, I'm going to take my onions and pour a little warm water on them, and that'll kind of tone down the fieriness of them. I need just enough to cover them. I'm going to let those sit for a couple minutes. Now I'm going to add some diced tomatoes into my mixture, and I'm going to mix that up. I'm going to be really careful not to mush them. Now that they've sat for about 5 minutes, I'm just going to drain them and then add them right to my guac. And you just mix it up. And if you want, you can add a little jalapeno, maybe like just to your taste. I know some people don't like it, some people do. So that's how you make guacamole. Bye! And remember, if I can bake it, you can make it.